Ebusia now, after all have been said and done on social media concerning beef course between Christians and Muslims, and Nam Suma Sumbu Yinako Pimu, and was said quarters. And Penny Tenase, and the year to year, National Chief Imam, the police service, and the greatest opposition party, AMPP Penny for, Omunina Tenase, and the year to year. To prove to the whole world, say, Asundre at the case for any and Cremofontim, Ghana, and it looks very good.
This topic is very important for us. Please, media people, can you put this on very well? Let us go far. Yeah. We have killed the Satan by just one blow. And another people one there. Yes. We are thankful to God. We are thankful to God. We are thankful to God. Yeah, please. Respectfully, that the gentleman, the apostle who made those comments is here, and the Papa and whoever the other one, Chief Minister wants to join them in some handshake before he departs. He said all of you now, by instructions, said he wants you to embrace each other. So you are three. So who does it first? Can you clap, please? This topic is very important for us. Please do your people. Can you put this on very well? Let me go far. Yeah. You have killed the Satan by just one blow. And another beautiful one there. Yes. We are thankful to God. We are thankful to God. I will increase you in bounty.
Malaiti a matsayinsa ina uba na kasa baki daya akan musulmi da Christian yanzu ga yana neman ya ga malamin nan da magana ya faru bisa kan shi zo gaban shi da Christian nan da Papa ko zo gaban shi.
In my capacity as the father of this nation,
But now, on social media, people still have some questions. Number one, Omo Chese, Alhaji Zakari, Aobo, Apostle Daniel J. Asumo, Siadia Quatesno, and you know, and Omocheno. And Nipo Moche Nebaeno was a different person. And Oliver Bakabedi Komose, the guy who slapped Apostle Daniel, is a big man in NDC, and there's no way a big man can be arrested. We don't know how true is that, but that's the poster. And that one is here. It's a man for beside the police service. With regards to image or produce here, said that man has been arrested. I was a handcuff mono. He is not Alhaji Zakari. And after you know, Alhaji Zakari, you know, was a sentence from the NDC government. How? Omo say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Kremoni and Apostle Baye president in Ghana. And all this one, and you man of 420 say Kremofo a violent people. It is voting for Dr. Bawumia. No, it's going to give Muslims an upper hand and they are going to misbehave them more. That is what people are saying on social media. Inti abroad that unknown imam ebe can say the obe Kassetian Komsheni Muhammad Yembuni Kunu. That was when the idea came, say they should take advantage of that issue and make issues more alarming. Neman Kofonya aware say voting for MPP means you are voting for lawlessness. On social media, that was a commenter number for a pastor saying Kremofosu benye dia and the net prophet also been padokane yampa say ye to abama kremoni video minus wa and share on mine bedija.
On wa sumbo na unhu ye e wo social media ni na ya agenda. Mo mama ni nda ho wa say agenda for nipa baako say wa woni.
It was and you make out and comment that social media and I made it sumui. And also Alhaji Zakari, President John Mahama body also police now occupy our Baimu and Aminu Ekase. It was a debut. Or the Greater Accra NDC Zongo Caucus chairman from 2018 to 2022. Number 2, or a national leader of imams for Mahama from 2022 even to now. Or a presidential appointee to the National Hajj Board from 2025 till now. And after special advisor, Ministry of Interior from 2025 till now. And after or a senior member of weekly Friday prayers for President Mahama from 2025 till now. And finally, or a member of the presidential envoy on interfaith and ecumenical relation from 2025 even till now. With regards to Papa with the credibility any Nijina Pia or whatever Baimono, it tells you say he's a peacemaker. There's no way this man would cause violence. Even Sobe cause of violence, it will not be in the open. He might do it in secret. It in a waiting in public, no, and a month for what you say. A settings, a day or more just to discredit the flag bearer of the NPP, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It was a common saying that on social media.
Nipa or tenants a board there, Yachano, or police in the moon, police in penny, sir, any yarn and say, so you please in penny. No one really a penny pa honor, on the Udru honor, my own go and be a hobby. And a war. Into the dinka information I know. Into the air, say the action, a good sort of form, ye dinner hold only be. In your din back, or in command, a cost which in I in command yet Tiano. Ne din back will be and a nemo. Nemo, Yahoo, a din be a sabe kahun. Into a say a tuyable. Near in 7 yankas. All right. Nemo, dear in Shemo Yenya and Tia Yatano. The Tran is a dipano or a police opinion. And I was so hobby pa. Into ya no. Into your telephone, I had the ato form. I him near San Race, a dinner banana. Why potting and a yes, and you go so yes.
Good evening. Into a drama be a cosu ever in Ghana Hano, but a month on tea, I say. NDC, a Zongo party, and at NDC, I catch the Ghana for say there is no day the MPP will elect a Muslim as a flag bearer. And at NDC MPP for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia as a flag bearer. Omwa zongo fono, omusi Bawumia nya sorry. And the movie on 2 mano, when you cremu papa. Yati, ena omuzongo fono. Oman tomano ena omwa zongo fono omwa kachire owusu bempa wan kache se won su daye they say chief man bow into mbo attack the church no kremu fono bako attack church no into ya omba kache se ai kremu fono I start attack muslimi christian fono se wan game no aha a game na mubo omu hihye eba ena omu yes hano ena omuko hono omuko shi osu bempa church no mukai ena ko gidigidi zangu fono nimo omuko no omuko shi ni church no se won bapa cho won yina no free muslimi fono omwa muslimi fono last week no omu malam bako aba bonte se udidi prophet Muhammad ese yan yuti ena pastor bi akantano ena omu NDC for no omu national security for ena liaison of the office of the IGP akwachi sa malam no asa akwachi pastor no omu ena omu jai malam no ena omu sisi pastor no edika ewo police station no omu jai no onu liaison officer no last week no wakachira say John Dramani mama weni papa inti na nyame yinu bra say yanto abama no nyam coupon emano message ti say signer onyankopon emma prophet Muhammad no ena muslimi fo no attack no ena wo ba abonten aba apologize ye omwa NDC fo no say si ano omwa hu ti say MPP asa elect Bawumia bio so Bawumia wo muslimi inti previous election no omo twa antro Bawumia ya sorry Bawumia wo proko wo yeseni na say atu nsumu say omo ni message bio into what is the message again. Let's bring religious cut on them because they already removed Bawumia as a flag bearer. So let's let some Malams to be attacking the Christians so that it will bring violence. That is their mind. We na either umuti Inti na malam no response ana almiao sa spokesperson of the chief imam no aba abonten. Ebeka say yankoche malam no. Yankoche malam no ene achi malam no. Ene obi say yanchi pastor no ene achi pastor no. But say ya jai malam no akọ. Ene yekita pastor no. Omu pese omu nhye bufu pastors. Ene pastor say mo obi antum ma muslimi for. Wana ya muslimi MPP. Flag bearer na muslimi. Omu endis omu ya yo omu flag bearer o. And by all means, their flag bearer will be Christian. That is the game. Inshallah, we are smarter than you guys. This card will not play. We will tell people what you are about. May God bless you, Ghana, for.
Ghanaians, we need to talk. What is happening around the recent Prophet Muhammad's controversy should deeply concern every Christian, every Muslim, and indeed every Ghanaian who cares about the peace of this country. For decades, Christians and Muslims have lived together in Ghana in peace. Not perfectly, but largely peaceful. We attend each other's weddings and funerals. We work together, we trade together. We even have families where Christians and Muslims live under the same roof. That religious tolerance is one of Ghana's greatest assets, and we must not allow social media to destroy it. If a pastor makes offensive comments about Prophet Muhammad, investigate him, and if the law has been broken, prosecute him. Similarly, if an imam allegedly threatens violence against people who insult Prophet Muhammad, investigate him too. And if he has committed an offense, prosecute him. The law must be blind to religion. But then comes the disturbing part. A suspect is in police custody, handcuffed, and somehow a man is allowed to approach him, apparently question him inside police headquarters.
You are in the house of police, but still you want to explain yourself. If not only we are at the police headquarters, if it's outside, within the Muslim jurisdiction, will you even open your mouth?
And then subsequently slap him from behind. Seriously, how does that happen inside police headquarters? How? Which officers were supervising that suspect? Who allowed this man to get that close to a person in custody? And the biggest question, if that video had never surfaced, would anything have happened? Because the man was reportedly arrested only after the public outreach. We all saw the videos on TikTok and on social media, and that is dangerous. And Ghana Police Service, I saw a media release and the picture of the Muslim man, Zakaria they call him, who slapped the pastor. Why are you covering his face? Are his videos already not all over social media? We know him, we've seen his face. Why are you covering it? We're told he's 68 years or so, and at that age, he's not sensible enough to do the right thing. Religion is an opium of the masses. Let's be careful. I hear the interior minister has directed an investigation and says officers found culpable should face consequences. Good. But is that enough? We need answers. Because when a Muslim man can allegedly assault a Christian suspect in police custody, it creates a dangerous perception that religion may be influencing the application of the law. And perception alone can be enough to inflame the various religious communities. Already we are seeing pastors and Christians on social media expressing anger. Online, there are several videos. We cannot allow this to become a Christian versus Muslim thinking. No, Because if Muslims begin to believe the state will protect them, while Christians believe the state will protect Muslims at their expense, or vice versa, we have a serious national security problem. So I'm asking the Ghana Police Service, one, how did this happen at your headquarters? Who was responsible? Would you have acted if Ghanaians hadn't seen the video? And perhaps, and maybe the most uncomfortable question that I'm about to ask, can Ghanaians trust that our police service is not becoming divided along religious lines? We need transparency, we need accountability, and we need justice. Because one pastor's alleged offense must not become an excuse for violence against Christians. And one imam's alleged threat must also not become an excuse for hostility against Muslims and Christians together. Ghana's religious peace is bigger than all of us. So let's not wait until somebody is killed or maimed before we realize that we've been playing with fire. Enough of the intolerance. Enough of it. Enough of the threats. Let the law work, and let it work equally for everyone. Let's not play with the kind of tolerance and coexistence, the peace we are having in this country.
When also on social media, people are reading meanings into whatever is ongoing on social media, and they are getting their own understanding. Into where they understanding and the perception of people with regards to near course in the course of this week. Comment section one me or the mess sorry the more say what drink will be an over drop one me comment section there me. Now we me subscribe button on me upload bias now. Unsa ebet me den siki makra.